Imagine being fired from your job, not for failing, but for saving lives. That's exactly what happened to hundreds of US aid workers when President Donald Trump's administration slashed over 90% of America's foreign aid contracts, essentially gutting the country's signature humanitarian agency in just months. But instead of vanishing quietly, a group of these dismissed humanitarians did something extraordinary. They called themselves the Lifeboat Crew. Their mission? To rescue the world's most vulnerable children, one desperate case at a time. Let's set the stage. With USAID in chaos, emails cut, desks cleared out, life-saving drug shipments stranded, millions of lives hung in the balance, maternal health clinics shuttered, vaccination campaigns halted, newborns denied basic care in fragile countries. Experts warned that with cuts this deep, up to 7.9 million child deaths and 500,000 maternal deaths could be triggered by 2040, dragging progress back decades. Yet hope found a new champion. This lifeboat crew, dispersed but undeterred, connected with private donors, international NGOs, and even rival governments to fund and coordinate urgent aid deliveries. They raised over $110 million in new money, orchestrating a kind of rapid response matchmaking network, pairing resources with the gravest needs, plugging gaps where official US support had simply vanished. The voices behind this initiative are former field officers, logistics experts, and health specialists, once the backbone of a proud bipartisan effort to improve the world. Now they are outsiders, but more determined than ever, empowered by their independence and united by a simple creed: save as many babies as we can. Meanwhile, the Trump administration doubled down, absorbing US aid into the State Department and justifying the cuts as cost-saving, despite warnings from health organizations and even bipartisan congressional leaders.
Un message pour Donald Trump, c'est qu'un message qu'il est un homme. Et c'est les hommes qui vont périr comme les animaux. Qu'il ait pitié des hommes, des jeunes enfants, des adultes, les adolescents, les jeunes garçons qui vont mourir, alors qu'ils pouvaient mieux faire pour la société africaine en général et voire même mondiale.
The resulting chaos has left drug shipments in limbo, clinics abandoned, and communities scrambling to fill a yawning vacuum. But the story isn't just about what was lost, it's about what remains. Human tenacity, solidarity, and the refusal to turn away from suffering. The lifeboat crew isn't just fighting for aid funding, they're fighting for the very idea that global compassion is a measure of national strength, not a footnote to be erased. Will their improvised rescue operation be enough to bridge the gulf left by the world's wealthiest nation stepping back? For now, they push forward, one shipment, one rescue, one hope at a time. This is the Lifeboat Crew story, a testament to what's possible when everyday people refuse to let the tide of indifference sweep the innocent away. With Debangna Datta, Bureau Report, India Today Global.